Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming classrooms around the world, the impact of technology on teaching learning process. From interactive whiteboards to virtual reality, technology has become an integral part of modern education. But how exactly it is impacting the way we teach and learn? First up, access to information. Gone are days when students relied solely on textbooks. With the internet, a student can access vast amounts of information in just a few clicks. This access empowers students to take control of their learning. They can explore topics on their own pace, and teachers can guide them towards credible sources and teaching critical thinking skills. Next, let's talk about personalized learning. Not everyone student learn the same way or the same pace, right? Technology helps address this with educational apps and online platforms to meet individual needs. And then we have engagement technology makes learning interactive and fun. Remember, when lessons were just lectures, now students can engage with interactive simulations, virtual reality, field trips, and even collaboration with online peers. This makes learning experience more dynamic and